little queen fish. Easy, 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 easy. Easy, easy, easy. Yes. Let's try to release him or her. Yeah. Look at this beauty. Okay. There she goes. Whoa. Whoa. I think we should actually increase the size of our lure. This is way too easy, and I don't want to hurt this tiny queen. That's ow, 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 ow. Come on. Yes, yes, she's safe. She's safe. Release her, and I'm going to change my lure. This is way too small. Come on, go. Yeah, she's fine. She's fine. Okay, folks. Now, you know these are the metal vibration lures. Some of them are actually plastic. So this lure is from AliExpress. I will try to drop down the link in the information section. Okay, so we need to increase our lure a bit, lure size, because one already have issues with the smaller queen fishes. They are so fragile. So this is Shimano. I think it was the salvage solid. Yes, this is the 60 size. It's I think about 16 grams. So let's use it. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, this one is better. Oh, did you see that? Oh, easy, easy. Come on, come on. Woo, woo, woo. Yeah, this one is definitely a better size, but I will again release it. Come on, come on. Yeah. Yep. Again. You see, when you change your lure size, it all changes. Yeah, it's a bit bloody, but I'm hopeful she will survive. Okay. Yeah, she's fine. A little bit bloody. I'm sorry for that. Let it sing a bit. Yep. Now start the action like vertical reeling. This will create vibration in the water. Hopefully attracts more fish. You know, after certain sizes of lure, I was about to, oh, this is a good size. Yeah, whoa, whoa. Easy, easy, easy. Yeah, I hope this one releases itself too, but yeah, it seems like it got up nicely. So okay, let's try to tire. Can you see the other fishes swimming behind its tail? Okay, let's take it out. Yeah, releasing part is very troublesome. Yeah, I don't wanna really measure and lose time, so just let go. So I actually changed my lure to a jig. It's the Major Craft jig, 15 grams. So let's see if they actually give any reaction to jigging. Okay, let it sink a bit, get to the bottom. That's enough. Okay. Actually, my rod is way too strong for this jig, so I kind of have problem actually feeling the jig, but it works. As long as it works, that's fine. Yeah, this is I think this is another queenfish, small sized one. Yeah, there you go. Let's quickly release it. Come on, let me. I know you are so strong for your size, I know. Yeah, this is a beauty. Quick release. Okay. I can see the fish follows, but they require a bit different approach. I think I will cast. I won't cast so far this time. Yeah, that's good enough. Let it sink a bit. Okay, let's do it more slow vertical actions now. Yeah, there you go. You see? When you actually understand the action, which action works, you will able to catch most of the time. So let's not torture the fish. Okay, let's release it quickly. Oh, this time. Oppa. Yeah, she's fine. Another release. Okay, I will just this time cast my jig towards that slope, quite a short distance. Yeah, that's good enough. Let it sink a bit. Yep, that's enough. And just do tiny, slow jigging action, tiny jerks to tease them enough, I think. Yeah, strike but lose. Yeah, I missed that strike. Yes, let's do it again. That's good enough. Let it sink. Okay, again, tiny but rapid jig actions now. Yep. Oh, this one is good. Not bad. or just no, it's not big enough for me actually, but still better than the previous ones. Okay. Yeah, just caught very edge of the eye, so we should be very careful. Yep, it's perfect. It's not damaged at all. You see, it's a beast. It's a small beast. It really resembles the bluefish incident, but doesn't have the teeth. Oh. Oh. Yes, just it's caught by the gill, so I don't want to actually take him out, take her or her out. I'm not sure. Now we have to take it out. Yeah, it's actually not the gills. I was afraid of getting caught by the gills because it's just really dangerous for the fish. But this is just the sideways, so that was actually causing the fish to pull so hard, and it doesn't really actually damage that much. But you see, she's all right.